Hello guys, welcome to our channel GK Vidya. Today's topic is classical dances of India. So let's begin. There are total 8 types of classical dances. There are Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Odisha, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam, Manipuri, Satriya. And we are going to discuss all these types of classical dances in our video today. First, Bharatnatyam comes from the word bhava, expression, raga, music, tala, rhythm, and natya, classical theatre. It originates in the South India and performance consists of multiple items such as nritya, pure dance movement, abhinaya, dramatic art of storytelling, and the nritya, combination of nritya and abhinaya. And the music is Carnatic music. The costume for Bharatnatyam is made of silk sarees with gold embroideries. Costumes has a lot of pleats. The jewelry are necklace, bangles and head ornaments. Bells mounted on woven pads are worn on the foot. The famous exponents of Bharatnatyam are Yamini Krishnamurti and Rukmini Devi. Kathak, derived from katha, story, and kathaka, who tells story, originates from North India. Performance is progress from slow to fast pieces, footwork and spins, abhinaya, expression. Music is Hindustani music provided by tabla, sitar and santoor. Kathak, the costume is ghungroos or bells on the ankles. For female is lehenga choli or चूड़ीदार कमीज, and for male is bare chest and dhoti or kurta churidar. Famous exponents of Kathak are Birju Maharaj and Kumudini Lakhiya. Kathakali originates from Kerala state. Attractive makeup of characters and elaborate costumes. Performance is combination of 5 elements: natyam, expression; nrityam, dance; Nityam, enactment; Geetam, vocal; and Vadyam, instrument. Music is Carnatic music and songs and language of the song is Manipuravalam. Kathakali, elaborate makeup, green face color, noble character, pacha, green with red streaks, characters with evil streaks. Red face color, excessively evil character. Women have yellow face color, costume elaborate and differ according to character. The famous exponents of Kathakali are Kalamandalam Sivadas and Pariyanapattam Divakaran. Odisha originates from Orissa, schools of Orissa, Mahari, Nrataki, Gotipyo. Main emphasis is Tribangani, independent movement of head, chest and pelvis. Chauka, basic square stance. Music is Odissi music. The costume is sari, beautiful cloth wrapped around body in traditional style and bright shade of orange, purple, red or green. And the jewelry is tika, forehead ornament, alaka, headpiece where tika hangs, ear covers in intricate shapes with jhumkis, bells, shaped earrings hanging from them, and 2 sets of bangles, thin bracelets worn on upper arm and wrist. The famous exponents of Odissi is Sanjukta Panagrihi and Kelucharan Mohapatra. Kuchipudi originates from Andhra Pradesh state in South India. Shares many common elements with Bharatnatyam. Unique Kuchipudi dance, Taranagam. Dancers dance on plates with diyas in the hand and vessels of water on the head. The music is again the Carnatic music. Kuchipudi costumes are similar to Bharatnatyam, kachacham, long fold at the back of the costume. Jewelry is female character wears ornaments and jewelry. The famous exponents of Kuchipudi are Dr. Vemapati Chinnastayam and Raja and Radha Reddy. Mohiniyattam comes from the word Mohini, temptress, and Attam means dance. Graceful dance performed only by women, influences from Bharatnatyam and Kathakali. The music is vocal called cholu, veena, flute, madalam, and ideka. The characterized by realistic makeup and simple dressing. Costume is white or cream sari with gold borders. Costume is profusely pleated. Jewelry is mainly gold ornaments. The famous exponents are Gopika Verma and Meena Prasad. Manipuri originates from Manipur state. Performance. Movements are subtle and aimed at devotion and grace. Rounded movements with jerks and sharp lines. Dancers' feet never strike the ground hard. Music provided by singer, pung, drums, kimbal and flute. The costume is for female dress called patiloi and lehenga called kumin. Transparent odini is worn on the head and covers the face. For male is usually saffron dress depicting Lord Krishna. Dancers do not wear anchor bells. The famous exponents of Manipuri are Darshana Jhaveri and Kalavati Devi. Satriya originates in Assam state. Performance based on mythological stories performed by men and women, recognized as one of the classical dance form of India in 2000. The music is devotional songs called Borgeets, instruments, khol, drums, tals, cymbals and flutes. Costume made of part type of silk ornaments are based on traditional Assamese design. The famous exponents of Satriya are Ramakrishna Tauladakar and Ranjumoni Saika. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, subscribe our channel GK Vidya and hit the bell icon for more notifications. And don't forget to like, share and comment.